Hello and welcome. How to solve this equation 81 over x squared is equal to x squared over 81. Find x. From what we have here, if you multiply both sides, this will become 81 times 81 is equal to x squared times x squared. Now I can also write this as 81 squared is equal to x squared squared. A dot A is equal to a squared. So from here, if I move this to the left hand side, I have 81 squared minus s squared squared is equal to 0. So I can rearrange this to minus x squared squared plus 81 squared is equal to 0. So to eliminate this minus, I can multiply everything here by minus 1. If I do that, I have s squared squared minus 81 squared is equal to 0. So I would have to put this 81 to be in this form. To do that, 9 times 9 is equal to 81, which is the same as 9 squared. So this becomes s squared squared minus 9 squared squared is equal to 0. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Applying this into our equation, we have a to be equal to s squared and b to be equal to 9 squared. So from here, this becomes s squared plus 9 squared s squared minus 9 squared is equal to 0. From what we have here, there are two possible cases. S squared plus 9 squared is equal to 0, and s squared minus 9 squared is equal to 0. Starting from this side, a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus bi minus a minus bi. So substituting into this equation, our a is equal to x and b is equal to 9. So this becomes x plus 9i x minus 9i is equal to 0. From this point as well, there are two possible cases. X plus 9i is equal to 0, and x minus 9i is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 9i and x will be equal to 9i. And this is a complex solution. Now let's solve for the second case. S squared minus 9 squared is equal to 0, and a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. From here, A is equal to x and b is equal to 9. So applying this into our equation, this becomes x plus 9, x minus 9 is equal to 0. At this point, there are also two possible cases. X plus 9 is equal to 0 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. So this becomes x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to 9. So far, we've gotten 4 solutions for x, 2 real ones and 2 complex ones. So if we write it out to have x is equal to 9 and then x is equal to minus 9, 9i minus 9i. So this is our solution for x. Now let's check if this solution satisfies the equation. We have 81 over x squared is equal to x squared over 81. Now when x1 is equal to 9, if we substitute into this, we have 81 over 9 squared is equal to 9 squared over 81. So this is 81 over 9 squared. 81 is equal to 81 over 81. So if this cancel each other, we have 1 is equal to 1. Now since our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, x equals 9 satisfies the equation. Now when x is equal to minus 9, we have 81 over minus 9 squared is equal to minus 9 squared over 81. So this becomes 81 over minus 9 squared is still 81, and then minus 9 squared 81 over 81. So if these two cancels each other, we have 1 is equal to 1. Now since left hand side is equal to right hand side, x equals minus 9 satisfies the equation. Now let's check when x is equal to 9i. So the equation becomes 81 over 9i squared. So this becomes 81 over 9 squared dot I squared is equal to 9 squared dot I squared over 81. So this is 81 over 81 dot I squared is minus 1 is equal to 81 dot minus 1 over 81. So if 81 cancels 81, this cancels it, so I left it to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now since left hand side is equal to right hand side, so this proves that x equals 9i satisfies the equation. Now let's check when x is equal to minus 9i. Substituting into the equation, we have 81 over minus 9i squared is equal to minus 9i squared over 81. So from here we have 81 over minus 9 squared dot I squared is equal to minus 9 squared dot I squared over 81. So this becomes 81 minus 9 squared is still 81 dot minus 1 is equal to 81 dot I squared minus 1 over 81. Now this cancels this and this cancels. We are also left to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So since LHI is equal to RH side, x equals minus 9i also satisfies the equation. That means the 4 roots satisfies the equation. Thanks for watching and don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and share this to your colleagues and see you in my next tutorial.